Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can design a simple text-based logo using Canva. First things first, we're going to head over to canva.com. As you can see, I'm already on the page. So you'll be right here at the home page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create a design, and then you search what you want to create. We call it logo. So it will give you different logo options: 500 by 500, 800 by 800, YouTube logo. Okay, depending on what your logo is going to be about. So we are going to go with a default size of 500 by 500 pixels. So I'll click on that. So you can see on the left hand side there are a couple of templates, but we are not going to use any of these templates. So we shall just put on our text, click on add a heading. Let's assume you're creating a logo for myself, Fanny. So I'll just put my name in there. After this, we want to give it some color, some nice looks. So we're going to head over to design, and then we go to styles. Now from here, you'll see there is a number of styles, color combinations, color palettes that you can start with. So I'm going to click on see all for the font choices, and then we can try all these font choices. You see that? So let's go with this. So I'm just going to highlight this, and I'll slightly increase the size to 60 and then move it to the center. Now back to the styles, we can click on this and then we shuffle to see the different options, because it already has a color palette that you can use. So after that, we can choose which one to go with. So let's go with this option. So after this, I'll go to share, download our logo. So I'll click on download. Now, after creating your logo, you can create any brandable items with the same format. So that is all. You can add a subheading, and let's put there some content just below here, and put maybe a tagline: digital guides. So now that we have a tagline, instead of having to change this just one by one, what I can do, I can highlight this and just move it to the center. So I'll click on this, go back to design, and we choose our style, which was this. So I'll just click on it. You can see it's automatically adjusting to the logo and the color palettes. So what we shall do, we shall slightly reduce this to maybe 16, and we can shuffle, and that is it. So this is basically how you can create a text-based logo using Canva and using the inbuilt Canva styles for free. So we shall download our logo, and here is the logo that we created, the lighter version, and here is the version with a tagline. You can see here is the version with the tagline, and here is the version with just the lighter background. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.